watch this. One human hair at a time is now fed onto these microstrands. One human hair at a time. This is how we're going to replicate natural hair growth. And now the finished product is this as one example. This is after the hair has been added, one hair at a time. What do you see? Do you see the microstrand at all? Look, you don't see the microstrand. You just see single human hairs appearing to be just floating in the air. When you add one human hair at a time onto the microstrand, it disappears. And now you're replicating real hair growth. Let's see real proof. What is the most critical area of adding hair on the head? That's the front hairline. Let's take a look at a front hairline. Look closely. Look even more closely. Do you see anything in this front hairline? Does it just look like 100% of this person's own hair? Look closely. Now we're going to reveal that there actually is hair added. Notice this. I'm slowly removing the microstrand just to show that hair was really added right up to this front hairline. The best thing you can do is schedule what's called a virtual demo, which is a video call where we can see your own hair. When we're able to see your hair through a video call, we can explain all the details of the microstrand invention and how it would work specifically on your hair situation.